Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to finish setting up iPhone Face ID is ready to be set up in settings. If you are using any iPhone and you are getting this type pop-up message on your iPhone screen that you have to finish your setting up iPhone or your Face ID is ready to be set it up. So let's see how can you fix the pop-up message. So guys, it happens when your iPhone's Face ID is ready to be set it up, but you haven't set it up yet. So very first, to fix the issue, you just have to set up your Face ID. Now to do that, you have to open your settings app from here, then go for Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode here, and then you have to simply tap on the setup Face ID option. And once you have that, you have to tap on the get started option and you will be ready to set up your Face ID. And once you have set it up your Face ID, you will not get the pop-up message again. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.